How to use Udemy. Hi guys, what is up? In this video I will tell you how you guys can use Udemy, how you guys can buy your favorite courses, and how those courses are gonna look like when you have actually bought them. So when you come on to Udemy, simply sign up, and once you have signed up you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here you guys can see their basic dashboard, and then if you were to hover your mouse on the categories section, you guys can see all the categories that they have courses in. So you can individually choose any course that you want to go with. So for example, if you want to learn some languages, simply hover your mouse over the IT and software section, and then after that simply choose any one of these courses. So now from over here you guys can choose any one of these languages, and that's gonna work perfectly. Similarly, scrolling down over here you guys can see all the courses that you might be interested in if you have searched anything previously, and then after that scrolling down you guys can see that there are even more courses for you guys as well. So what can you do? So for example, if you guys want to learn Python for Java, so let's say if you guys want to learn Python, well then simply type in Python over here, and then after that wait for a few seconds, and then Python is gonna load up. So over here you guys can see that all the courses are on sale right now, and they have this sale going on every other day. So right now, maybe when you guys were to come on to udemy.com, you guys might not be able to see the sale, and you guys might be seeing the full prices, If that's the case, well you guys can just simply wait for a few days, and then the sale is gonna come back up. And then simply scrolling down you guys can see that there are lots and lots of courses. So the criteria for choosing a course is like any product. So you have to see that the course must have lots of reviews, and the course must be a bit long, because at the end you want to learn a lot. So this course has 112,000 reviews. This one has 420,000 reviews. That is an insane amount of money. So if I were to click on the first one, that is going to take me over on the product details page. So over here in the front you guys can see what you will learn. So for example, if you wanted to learn Python, you guys can see that you will master the Python programming language by building 100 unique projects over 100 days, and you will also learn automation, game, app and web development, data science and machine learning, all using Python. And then over here you guys have 60 hours of content in this particular course, and then also 230 articles, and then also 128 downloadable resources, and one coding exercise, full lifetime access as well. And then after that, of course, you guys can see all the different modules that this course is gonna show you. So you have all these options basically telling you what it's gonna cover and how much time will it spend on those particular topics. So you guys can search for your weak points over here, and then simply focus on those lectures instead of focusing on every single thing. That can really help you boost up your study. So similarly, come back. Now if you guys want to go even narrower, well then on the left side you have this filters option as well. So you guys can choose any one of these filters depending upon what you want. So for example, if I want machine learning, I can choose machine learning from over here, and then scrolling down I can even see all the levels. So for example, let's say I want an intermediate level course, and then after that I want to choose a language to be English, of course, and the price to be paid. Of course, we don't want free courses, although they do have free courses which you guys can see over here. So like these courses are free, but I would not recommend going for these courses because these courses are usually not that good. So I'm gonna choose paid, gonna remove the free filter, and then of course after that you can even choose different features, different ratings as well. So make sure that it is a 4.5 and up, and then of course you have to make sure that you have a decent amount of duration in it. So 6 to 17 hours is going to give you a pretty solid course. So this course over here has a 2,500 reviews, and this is a 4.7. Similarly, we have this course which is a 4.7 as well. So like similarly you have all these good courses. So let's say you like a particular course, simply click on that course, and then after that make sure to just simply buy it, or firstly add to cart if you want to buy multiple courses. But for now we are going to buy it, so I'm going to click on buy now, and then that is going to take me over to this particular sections. So now from over here I can choose my MasterCard or my credit debit card or my PayPal account, and then I can simply pay for this. So once you have paid for this, once you have bought this, you will be able to see this particular course over here in the top right corner where it says my learning over here. So when you want to access it, you simply click on it, and then that is going to take you over to the course details, and you guys can just simply watch all the videos like this, and you guys can do whatever you want. And then if you guys were to click on the settings, you guys can even choose the quality as well. So all in all, it's very good. Now let's say you want to upload your own course on Udemy. Well, for that the process is pretty simple too. You simply click on the top right corner where it says teach on Udemy, and then over here you guys can see all the details. So firstly, you can publish the course that you want, in the way that you want, and always have full control of your own content. You can even inspire others and you will be rewarded basically in the form of money. They have over 49 million students, 75 plus languages, 700 million enrollments, and over 180 countries plus 10,500 enterprise customers. So they're gonna tell you basically how you are gonna be recording your course. So all in all, you just have to simply click on get started and then wait for a few seconds while they take you to another page, and then from over here they're gonna ask you a few questions. So let's do this. And then after that, I'm experienced. After that, I have a small following. After that, so like all in all, you just have to answer these questions, and then it's gonna allow you to create your own course. So from over here, you guys can just simply make a practice test as well. So basically, if people pass that, they will be able to buy this course. Otherwise, they will have to watch another video first before coming onto this course, so that if it's very hard, then they know beforehand that they have to watch something else before watching this. And then on the left side, you guys can see that you have the communications options. So over here, students can ask you questions, and then you have the performance, which is going to tell you everything about your course, how many sales, how much money, and all of that stuff. And then of course you have the tools, and you also have the resources as well if you want to of course learn more about this. So now let's come back to the Udemy homepage. And guys, in the end, I would just like to say one more thing, that if you guys found this method helpful, and if you guys think that this method actually works, if you guys feel like this method is the perfect one for you, then be sure to share this method with your friends and family as well, because then all of your loved ones are also going to be able to make money alongside you. Because what's the fun in making money if you don't have the people you love around you making money as well? So what you need to do is that you need to share this video to your family's WhatsApp group, to your friends' WhatsApp groups, and also to your Instagram DMs as well. So all of those people could also make money, because in the end, if you guys are all making money yourself, well then it's gonna be very fun, and you all are gonna become millionaires together. Now guys, this method also covers all the basics of how you can get started with these softwares or these make money online methods. And honestly, if you follow this step by step, then honestly you won't run into any problem. And again, one last thing, if you guys run into any problem, if you guys feel like you did not understand something, well, you guys can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you guys completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff. So it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well then simply watch this video again and you guys will definitely understand it. Again, in the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you guys are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time, it's only gonna take a few minutes, so definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, till next time, goodbye.